Cracking the code. Break. Phrasal verbs in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on phrasal verbs. Today, we're diving deep into the world of idiomatic expressions, focusing specifically on phrasal verbs with break. Don't worry, we're going to break it down, step by step. Phrasal verbs are unique expressions in English that combine a verb with one or more prepositions or adverbs. They often carry a completely different meaning than the original verb. Today, we're examining phrasal verbs that begin with the word break. Let's look at some commonly used break phrasal verbs. Remember, context is key in understanding the meaning. 1. Break down. This can mean to stop working, usually about a machine or vehicle, or to start crying because you're upset. For example, my car broke down on the highway. Or, he broke down after hearing the sad news. 2. Break up. This often refers to ending a relationship. For instance, Sarah and John decided to break up after 5 years together. 3. Break in. This could mean to interrupt, to wear something, like new shoes, until they're comfortable, or unlawfully entering a property. Example, I didn't want to break in, but I have some urgent news. 4. Break out. This means to suddenly start something, usually something unpleasant like a war, fight, or a skin condition. For example, acne broke out on my face a day before the photo shoot. 5. Break into. This phrase often refers to starting a new career or skill with enthusiasm. Also, similar to break in, it can mean entering a place unlawfully. For example, she broke into the film industry at a young age. Now it's time for you to practice. Try making your own sentences with these phrasal verbs. Remember, practice makes perfect. Here are some starters for you. 1. My phone, blank, yesterday. Use, break down. 2. They decided to, blank, after a long discussion. Use, break up. 3. I hope I don't, blank, anyone, but there's an update. Use, break in. 4. He, blank, the software industry at a young age. Use, break into. 5. A rash, blank, on her arm after the hike. Use, break out. That's it for today's lesson on break phrasal verbs. I hope this has been helpful and that you now feel more confident using these expressions. Remember, the key to mastering phrasal verbs is practice. Keep using them in your daily English conversations and writing. See you in the next video.